Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I am going to try the fireworks effect. This is my third attempt. The first attempt I tried Let's Resin epoxy resin and I forgot it had gotten frozen and I don't think it was working properly. And then I tried again with the Let's Resin Fast Cure and I used my debubble remover and it just wasn't heating up whatsoever. It's still not set and it's almost been 24 hours, at least 20 hours. This time I just mixed up 100 grams of the Let's Resin Fast Cure and I let it sit for roughly half hour. It's at 31.6 and climbing. It's almost at 32 degrees. And I know when I watch Julie Cuts at Pouring Your Heart Out, she says around 33, 35 to decant, but she must be fast at decanting. So I am going to do it now. We only need 10 mils of the white, and I'll be using Pouring Your Heart Out, the white pigment bloom paste, which I have right here. So that's it right here. So welcome in to all my new subscribers and welcome back to all my returning subscribers. I hope your Christmas was amazing with your families, enjoying your time with them over the holidays. Just a little bit more. And I'm just gonna put 50 grams in each coaster and I'm gonna back it as well. Now for this, just gonna squeeze lightly and I only need one drop and let it drip off. Go. There we go. And Julie recommends that the white should be like skim milk and it's thickening up perfectly. So I'm just gonna do this. That's nice white. I am going to split this in half. Oh, let's spray the bottom here for any bubbles. And we'll try and split it as best we can. And I will be using the following inks from Let's Resin. I have Turquoise, Azure Blue, which I'll be using in one coaster, and then Magenta and Purple in the other one. And it says to shake well. And I will put on some music. Sit back and relax, have a cup of tea or coffee or whatever time of day it is, and I will see you. My resin is cured and I've mixed up 100 mils of Let's Resin Fast Cure. I'm gonna split them between these two cups. I've put the Let's Resin Gold mica powder in here and black mica powder in here. And I'm also going to use a little bit of the Let's Resin Alcohol Black ink with the black as well. Split this up. It's going to be the backing for these coasters. Put on some music, sit back and relax. Time to demold. I guess I didn't put enough mica powder in that. Anyways, let us check this out and see how the fireworks did. That's a learning experience, right? So shall we try the gold? Oh, I needed the white to be more opaque. You can barely see it, but actually it does look like fireworks. I like that. Subtle. And this one? Oh, this one you can see a lot better. I wish they were longer. Maybe, I don't know why it didn't work out. I don't know how I'd like this. And it's funny how the center moved on both of them, but I actually kind of like that. I like the gold and the black. And I have some vinyl cutout that I'm also gonna add to the front saying Happy New Year's. Let's get that going. I will put on some music and I'll meet you back here at the end. And here are the finished results after putting a awesome top coat on it. It really sealed it and made it look amazing. Now the stickers are in there and I think it turned out really good. I think the white should have been a little bit darker for this one, or maybe a different background, but I thought if it was a dark color background I would lose that purple. Anyways, I love them. Happy New Year, everyone. I hope you had an amazing new year, and I hope in the new year 2025 you all have light, hope, love, and prosperity to everyone. Thank you all. Let's do 2025. Let's make it an amazing year. I can't wait. We have so many new and different experiments and projects. It's gonna be so much fun. Thank you all for being here with me and enjoying and celebrating. I will see you in the next one. Now go be creative. Bye.